Hello everyone, DayTradeToWin.com. As we wrap up the year, I'm going to show you a few days in a row of the trading signals, the Atlas line, the scalper, and also what to expect as we turn the corner into 2021. As you know, I put a video out on the idea that the market is going to drop and it's going to pull back heavily in January. So that is still my feeling. I believe the market, and this is just my opinion, but I believe the market will be very bearish, at least the first few weeks. And we have a lot going on as well with the news, so that adds to it. There's going to be some volatility, so be careful with the volatility. And as we end the year, trading on the last day of the year, it's not really a very good idea. Or trading on December 30th or 31st, I believe that as we turn the corner, be prepared for what's to come now in January, more importantly, and keep an eye on the ATR. Here you have the Atlas line, and remember, trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. Talk to your broker and understand there are risks involved with trading. So what you have here on the Atlas line on December 29th is the market beginning to drop, and this may be a precursor to what's to come in January. Market may pull back a little bit. As you know, that's my sense on what to expect here. And the short signal at 37.50 to go short was successful, but I just want you to be careful with how large the volatility is. Typically, the volatility indicates how far the market can move in your favor and also against you. So just keep an eye on this average true range ATR. It's what I use, setting it for. I have hundreds of videos that I mention the ATR and why I use it for price action, targets and stops. And then you have pullbacks and more pullbacks, but the goal here is to focus on going short or trading short or being short or selling the market. The reason is the Atlas line offers this idea that if the market is trading below the Atlas line, we are heading and looking for short selling opportunities. And the same thing with yesterday, the day before, we have instead the market beginning to go up and only long trades on the Atlas line, starting off with the main signal and then pullbacks and strength trades. I think I have the strength trade turned on. Main signal, bound strength trades. Let me just turn on that strength trade. And you'll see the P's and the S's indicating strength trade. And again, just be careful with the ATR. If it's too volatile, don't trade. If it's too slow, I say the same thing. Don't trade. In my opinion, anything less than 1 point on the ATR is indicating that the last 20 minutes on a 5-minute chart is less than 4 ticks, not worth the trade. If you see the market really climbing at 5 or higher, it's too risky in my opinion. You may want to drop it down to a 1-minute time frame instead. So these are the ranges that I use to indicate whether it's too risky or it's too slow. Remember, every time we trade, risk is involved. Now, I don't usually use a scalping idea with a 5-minute chart, although a lot of traders that I talk to say that they do use the trade scalper with range charts and with minute charts, 1-minute charts, which is what I typically recommend. But if I add the trade scalper here to the chart, you'll see that there are many long signals, just like the Atlas line is indicating to go long, with the notion that if both the Atlas line and the trade scalper are focusing on going long, there's a higher probability that the market will go up. You still have to use the rules, the stops, the targets, the trade management. Nothing changes. It's just basically saying the Atlas line is telling me the market should go up. We have scalping signals telling me long. Let me focus on going long and long signals. And the same thing with here on the 29th, the following day, we have the Atlas line trading, indicating short positions, and we have short signals on the trade scalper as well. And that's one way to filter out the signals in the same way. Now, as far as the 1-minute chart on the trade scalper, here we have very similarly the 1 minute chart indicating that the market's going to provide some signals on a 1 minute chart to go short. And yes, there are long signals as well. These are scalp trades, very small targets, but for the most part, you can see that there are overwhelmingly more short signals. And that would make sense because the market is below the Atlas line. Those of you who are looking to join the mentorship class, email me, support@DayTradeToWin.com to get the details, or you can visit the website, DayTradeToWin.com. I'll put out a few more videos if I can. And be ready for 2021 because it's going to be, I believe, January, a very wild ride. Until next time, good trading. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.